I don't have a driver. I don't have a valid driver's license. Look at him. How's he not gonna die? Yeah, it sure does. What? Are you serious? We don't do that. That's amazing. They're not gonna tell you that they see needles. Wow. That's bullshit. Who? I don't, but I don't want him to sit here and die either.
So you guys, that's not our intention to come here. And we want to get you a shooting. We want to put it on. Not what we're here for. But the officer had to protect himself at the same time too.
It's a community protest outside a local police department. And what's got everyone worked up? Well, it's all over what happened when a cop came across a woman who was corralling her dogs. As her yellow lab approached the officer, he opened fire.
It's the chilling moment a police officer shoots a beloved family dog dead, and it's triggering uproar. Just released body cam video shows the furious reaction of the dog's owner. Who has just seen her yellow lab Dixie gunned down.
Get back! Get back! Get me a bunch of cars out here. We got a bunch of people coming out.
You killed my dog!
Get back!
Why did you do it?
Okay, your dog charged. Get back.
Within moments, neighbors come out to vent their anger at the cop who shot Dixie, a popular neighborhood fixture. It was so heated, the cop radioed he had to leave the scene.
Hey, I'm boogieing out of here.
It hurt. It hurts really bad.